Alright, I just now got the LEDs installed in the newest version of my Picard Tricorder. As I mentioned before, this is going to go into a light box, not a phone. I'm not sure that it will fit a phone because I don't have one to test it, but I went with the idea that everything is below this level right here, so there's a kind of a shelf right here, so the phone would lay in there right here if indeed I had one. So since I am using a light box, this is set up for my purpose. So basically this is the finished module with the white LEDs. It can be reprogrammed here from the side. This is a cable running in the side to reprogram and to charge the battery. So the type of battery I'm going to use is the same as I did on the other one. It's similar to this one. It's a 3.7 volt. Currently I am running off the power from the computer since it's plugged in. So I just wanted to show that it has the white scanning LEDs. Looks great. This particular print here came off the printer, straight off the printer. So I do have to prime it and paint it, you know, do what a normal prop maker would do anyway, is to prepare it to be finished. So anyway, this is how it turned out. Turned out great. This is an FDM printer, filament, not resin, because I don't want to deal with the toxicity of resin and all the other factors that involve resin, that you have to prepare it, you got to cure it, you got to have certain equipment to make it not hazardous. You got to wear gloves, you got to have ventilation, and there's a few things. So anyway, for my needs, I think FDM is great. It works out perfectly. I can literally pop it off the table, remove any of the supports that are there, and put it to use. So here it is. It's in the scan mode, as you can see. So there it is. So thank you for watching. I'm going to carry on with it just a little bit later today, but I wanted to get this portion of it done so that I could show that it is fully functional, and there it is. And another thing I wanted to point out is that I don't want this just being a light, okay, because that's all it is. It doesn't do anything. So I wanted to have some space at the bottom, right here below the light, for the actual, I guess the electronics, where the sensing head would actually be, because light doesn't really do any sensing. It's more of an indicator. So this set of LEDs on the top, there's 12, is more of an indicator on what version of the scanning mode it's in, and that it's going from left to right in this fashion. So the sensor is actually located, the electronics, in the upper portion right here. So it would actually be underneath the module right here. So when I take the module out, there's an actual space there for the electronics to actually be the sensor head itself. And so the LEDs are more toward the upper portion of it here, toward the top. The scanning is more toward the bottom right here. So again, so it has more purpose. I'm trying to look at it as being an actual real prop, or actually a real piece of equipment. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.